Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from beautiful Bali Island. I am Tanya from BaliWonder.com Travel. We hope to find you well and always happy. Many people ask me, especially first-time visitors, what is the best thing to do in Bali? Well, ladies and gentlemen, Bali offers a perfect mix of culture, nature, beaches, and adventure. But if I had to pick the absolute must-do experiences for first-timers, here's what tops the list.
Wow, this view is breathtaking.
Yes, let's get some photos.
Perfect morning light.
Is truly remarkable.
It's breathtaking.
Absolutely beautiful. Cheers!
Hello everyone, good morning from Bali Island. Wow, das ist so schön.
It looks absolutely delicious.
Let's explore the center and northeast of Bali with a 10-hour private day tour with a professional tour driver as guide. Watching Barong and Transcaris dance, Ubud Swings Jungle and Rice, Ubud Monkey Forest, Ubud Palace and Traditional Art Market, Kintamani Volcano, Tegalalang Rice Terraces, and Teganungan Waterfall. We manage this tour for private individual travelers and small family group from 5 to 14-seater full air-conditioned vehicles. Guests can customize their itinerary based on their interests. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you have some great ideas how to explore the best of Bali. If you'd like to book this tour, please open the link on the description. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Bali Wonder Travel, a professional travel planner with affordable fares. Absolutely, everything looks so fresh.
Let's start with these.
Perfect choice. Wow, this place is incredible. Look at the carvings.
It's stunning. Let me get a picture.
Yes, and the colors are so vibrant.
This is amazing.
I know, right? Let's keep exploring.
They're incredible, so vibrant. Best quality in Ubud.
Oh, this one is beautiful.
Suits you.